Alright, we're going to do a couple bedrooms in an apartment. Someone hired us because they're moving out. They want to get everything cleaned up, try to get some of their deposit money back. And it's basically been vacuumed already. And we're starting to put the pre-spray down. What are you using on this pre-spray this time?
Two cups of Tide with 2 gallons of water.
Yeah, we upped the dosage a little bit recently, and we were using 1 cap of Tide for 2 gallons, and now went ahead with 2 caps of Tide. Gives us a little bit better cleaning, and it's also because Tide just is cheap enough when you use it in this form that it's like you don't really need to try to conserve the cleaning solution.
Tide is cheap.
Yeah, Tide's pretty cheap compared to most other things you can clean carpets with, and we went ahead and we had a really greasy carpet that we had to clean, so we upped the dosage for that and decided to just keep trying it for a while. If it doesn't seem like it's making a big difference, we may drop it back down. You can use 1 capful or 2 capfuls. You don't want to go too crazy with it, or you'll end up having a lot of suds in your carpet you can't get out. But right now it seems to be a good balance. It's working pretty good.
The more soap you use, the better it cleans faster, but it can leave soap residue if you put too much, so you want to draw a fine line.
Yeah. Now we tested this when we don't want to leave a residue behind because that's not a good thing. So what we do is when we think we're going to change the dosage or something, we will try to pick it up go over it with an extractor after we've finished and make sure if we're picking up a lot of foam and a lot of other stuff in the carpet. So if we're leaving residue behind, we'll cut the dosage down because we don't want to do that. That's going to make the carpets resoil real quickly and they'll feel a little bit stiff to the touch, and we want the carpets to be pretty soft. So he's going to do some pre-spray. Now he is going to use the Oric brush for some of the stuff a little bit, not the whole carpet, but just some key areas. And then he's going to use the bonnet to get everything else. This carpet's it's starting to get, I call it when it starts to peel, or it gets little parts where the carpet starts to ball up, and it's because it's pretty worn down. And the fibers they've lost their integrity. And you can kind of see generally the carpet is it's just dull and flat and worn out looking. So this will help fluff it back up, but I wouldn't be surprised if they end up replacing this carpet at this point.
It's pretty old.
It's pretty old. It's been in here a few years, and we cleaned it for another resident once upon a time, but I mean the people that move in this particular apartment usually stay for a while, so it doesn't get cleaned all that often. Well, I'm going to stop this particular clip and we'll start back up again when we get ready to start using the machine because we're almost ready. So keep watching and we'll show you some more of that.